Let me do this for you, Obina. This is for you, just to remind you, bro, I'm better than you. Not in this life only, but even the next one. Yani, I am out here in the middle of Indian Ocean trying to enjoy myself all alone inside a yacht. And then naambiwa Obina ameniongelea. Are we really being serious? Mimi ni mtu wa kuongelewa na Obina, kusema tu kweli. Obina, you're talking about me from your car. Bro, I'm right in the middle of Indian Ocean, driving alone. To be serious. How do you even as a man start thinking about business when you're driving inside the busy traffic of Mombasa? Bro, your mates are out here enjoying their holiday. Oh, unafanya kazi, bro. You can't even think straight. Talk to me, bro. I need to teach you so many things that are going to change your life, bro. YouTube unaifanya mpaka lini? Nimeshtuka na mbweti Obina ameniongelea. Kusema tu kweli, on a very serious note. People are busy out here right now. I'm thinking about how I can launch my champagne.